Okay, we're now going to talk about the joystick palette that allows you to create moving shapes in Enlighten, and it has a little bit more flexibility than the MFX. So I'm going to once again hit clear all. I'm going to select my spot bots and initialize them. And now most of the time what you want to do is position the lights to the center of where you would like them to move. So we're going to go ahead and position them there. And then I'm going to hit the circle macro right here. So you'll notice that they're going in a circle movement. And again, I can change my fade time here. I can increase it. And then what else you can do is you can set the step shift. So you can advance it so that the offset of each fixture is off by 5 steps. So for each fixture that is selected and running this look, you are offset by 5, and you can change that number however you would like it to be. Now the other interesting thing you can do is you'll notice if I move my mouse over the center cross here, that changes my cursor to be able to move that look. So if I right click on the mouse, I can change where that center of movement is. I can move it left, right, wherever I'd like. So that gives me the flexibility to get my movement going and then position it in the room the best possible way. The other thing you can do is if you move these sliders, mainly the right side changes both the X and Y size. That changes the size of movement for that particular shape. So I can make it smaller or I can make it bigger. And let's set it back to 5. And so then you get the general idea here. You can also use these movement, left and right movement icons to change where the center of movement is for that particular fixture. One last thing here is fanning. And we're going to go ahead and show you how fanning works. So we're going to grab our spot bots, initialize them. I'm actually going to put them all here in the center, and actually let's point them back that way. So we'll put them back in the center there, and then I'm going to turn fanning on. Now if I hit this right cursor, you'll see that I'm fanning my fixtures out that way. If I press this button, I'm fanning the other way. I can also fan up and down. And again, it's just a simple way to get your fixtures symmetrically spread out to a good starting point. And so we can have that going, and then I can hit my up down macro, and then you'll see, let's change it a little bit here. So there you go. Pan and tilt movements using the joystick on Enlighten with all the shapes and fanning, and that's it.